my name's David Goatley, and I'm basically a portrait painter. I've been lucky in my career; it's taken me all over the place, and I've traveled a lot, and I love seeing new things and landscapes and historical sites and museums and things. But I'm always primarily interested in the people, how they live, what they look like, how they spend their lives, and I try to spend my life painting that. However, I'm going to do it, whether I'm working from life or I'm working from photographs, I always make sketches and I present the client usually with two or three different choices that I think will work. Once we've agreed a sketch, uh, the client knows exactly what's coming. Sometimes that sketch will be a charcoal sketch, sometimes it will be a small oil study. Once they've chosen something, it takes the element of surprise out of the finished thing. I want them to know exactly what we're talking about and have them happy and on board with what we're doing. And then I tend to sketch the composition roughly up in charcoal just to position things. And then I redraw it and paint it with a brush. And I always work with oils. Uh, I tend to be a very direct painter. I do a color block in, but I don't do a lot of underpainting. I tend to work over the whole surface of a picture at once because I like to see things in balance. I like to have a sense of the whole picture developing together, a little bit like the way images used to appear on computers. You remember when they arrive as very rough, large pixels, and gradually the pixels would get smaller until the thing came into focus. I like to paint that way so that I have a sense of the whole surface of the thing rather than, painting a perfect eye and then moving over and painting a perfect nose. I want to see the thing in context to establish the light and the balance of the picture as soon as I can. If you can really engage someone that you're painting and get them on board with the process so that they really come alive, that will be reflected in the finished picture. And that's an important part of doing this as a profession, is engaging with people, having fun with them, making them comfortable, making them laugh, listening to their stories, or sharing things. It is a wonderful thing to be around and to try and understand. And I feel very privileged to have spent as much time as I have with them painting those pictures.
We'd like to thank David Goatley for the interview, and of course all of you for watching. There are 5 more portrait artists featured in this Beyond the Face series, plus plenty more enlightening videos to be found on our YouTube channel and at opusartsupplies.com.